smoke on the horizon, steel beneath the sky. Conveyor belts are turning, and the furnaces are alive. Copper veins are bleeding, iron rivers flow. Every gear a heartbeat of the world we came to grow. Hands on levers, eyes on screens, numbers rising, endless schemes. Feed the machine, let the engine scream. Steel and circuits in between. Feed the machine, hear the pistons sing. The factory must grow. Feed the machine, night and day the same. Progress burning like a flame. Feed the machine, hear the iron call. The factory must grow. Assemblers in a chorus, stamping parts in time. Engines, wires, and circuits in a perfect, endless line. Science packs are glowing, labs begin to shine. Every new discovery, just another longer